Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box over there. If you have anything in the glove box, just get it out because we are going to get this glove box out. First get that dampener arm and just grab it and pull it out of there. And out it comes. Now just push it in to get it out of the way. Now we need to get the glove box down. For that, we need to get those two blockers out of the way. There's one over there and the second one over there. So what we have to do is just keep some pressure on the glove box downwards, and when you're doing that with one hand, with the second hand just press it inwards over there to get that blocker out of the way. Yep, that's it. That's one. And keep your pressure down, otherwise it's gonna go back in while you're trying to get the other one out. So pull this one back and the glove box just comes down. Those are the two blockers, 1 and 2, and that's where they go on and stop the glove box from falling down. Now once it's down, if your glove box just completely comes out of the way and like sort of gets off the hinge, that's okay too. I'm going to show you how to put it back on later. That's the air filter cover. There's one clip on the side over there where we need to press down and pull it outwards. So press it down and then pull it outwards, and now at an angle you have to get the cover off. And there's the filter right there. Just grab the filter and pull it out straight. The filter may be stuck a little bit over there, and that's okay. You may sort of have to pull it from one side then from the other side, but it'll slide right out. There's the filter right there. Now outside air comes from the top and all the dirt gets trapped over there. That's why the top side is dirty and the bottom side is clean. So that's the direction of the airflow from top to bottom. So get the new filter. In my case, I'm just going to put this old filter back in for now. I'll change the filter later on. But notice the position of the filter as I'm putting it in. Make sure it's positioned that way and then slide the filter in all the way. Take a few seconds, like push it from one side, then push it from the other side, but slide it in all the way. And yeah, that is looking good. Now let's put the cover back on, and again it goes back on an angle because that's the only way that clip on the side is going to go into that slot right there. See that? Yep, now it's in. Once it's in like this, just put the cover on, press it to clip it, and you are done. Now position the glove box the way I'm showing like this, and then rotate the glove box, and that will just push the hinges on. And that's it. Now it's on. Now before we put the glove box back in its place, let's take a look at this dampener arm. If yours is in place, that's fine. If yours came off, that's okay too. I'm going to show you how to put it back in. There's the clip right there for it. Make sure it goes onto the correct hole like the one I'm showing. Once it's in like this, that's good. Just grab the extending arm and just pull it out all the way. The telescoping arm, just get it out. And now let's just let it over there. Get the glove box and just sort of push it in. You just have to push it. It's going to flex and it's going to get back in place. And that is good. See, both the blockers are in their place. Now let's just get the dampener arm. Pull it out onto the clip and then push it on and clipped, and you are done. Let's try this out. Everything is looking good. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Hope you found it useful.